Here's a helpful tip in using LoopMagic with your DAW. In this demo, I'll be using Logic Pro, but the same tip works for Ableton, Reason, or Pro Tools. The first step is navigate to your computer's Downloads folder. Create a new folder and name it LoopMagic. Next, create an alias of the folder. On the back, right-click on it and select Make Alias. Next, add the alias to the location where Logic Pro looks for user loops. Open the Loop browser. If you don't see the user loop section yet, just drag in an audio file and it will automatically be created. Right-click on User Loops and select Show in Finder. This is where you'll place the alias of your LoopMagic folder. Okay, let's try it out. But before we go any further, let's make sure our session is set to the same sample rate as the LoopMagic downloads, which is 44.1 kHz. You can change the sample rate by going to File, Project Settings, and then selecting Audio. I've got some loops I created with LoopMagic at 110 BPM and in A minor, so let's set those parameters as well. Back in my browser, I have LoopMagic running. I want to download some loops I tagged earlier, so I search on a custom tag and all the loops filter down with that tag to the ones I want to use in my session. When I click download, I select Wave and save the file into LoopMagic in my downloads folder. As I download the files, you'll start to see them appear in my sessions loop library. I can audition them in the session. And when I want to use a loop, I just drag it into the track lane. Each track in Logic Pro has a setting called Follow, Tempo, and Pitch. It's very important to turn this off so your LoopMagic loops can be imported without any unwanted time changes. And just like that, from browser to session, in the blink of an eye.